Yay! It's another week, which means another video. And today I have something super special. You'll hear my diffuser going on in the background. This is the home diffuser with Young Living. I am diffusing sacred frankincense. It is one of my all-time favorite oils. Today, what I have for you guys, I am excited to open because I have no idea what to expect. Today we are unboxing a date night in a box. You heard right. This is a date night all put together for you in a box. It is from Date Night In, and you can, basically how it works is you subscribe to a date night, or you can subscribe to a faith night in, or you can subscribe to a kids night in. I think it's $34.99 a month to get sent your date. But from what I understand, this box contains everything you need to have an at-home date. And honestly, $34.99 is a pretty cheap date night, if I do say so myself, at least compared to the date nights that my husband and I take. It was talked about on BuzzFeed. I don't know if this is going to be backwards, but BuzzFeed featured Date Night in a Box. I have not seen that video, but you can Google it and I'm sure it will come up. But they sent me a box to share with all of my viewers to show you guys what one is like when you open it up. It's super cute how it's got like all kinds of cute little decorations. This says first date sent. Their first date that they sent one was in September. I have never received a Date Night in a Box, so this will be first time for me opening it up. I have no idea what to expect. I have no idea what's inside of it. I do think it's a great way though for people who can't get babysitters, who have young kids, who struggle getting time together. To have something like this is amazing. Also for me, I have teenagers, so I can go out easily with my husband, but there's something special about having an at-home date, in my opinion. So without any more rambling, I am going to open this baby up and show you guys what's inside and how this works, because I honestly have no idea. All right, let's get into this. Hopefully it will. There we go. So yeah, I just popped the top open. First view. Let's see. Ooh, that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what this says. The Story of Us, Date Night In. Welcome. As most of our memories live virtually these days, there's something nostalgic about the idea of putting our memories down on paper and getting our photos off the phone. Tonight, you will create a book called The Story of Us and go on a captivating photo scavenger hunt together. Take a trip back down memory lane, look ahead to the future, and get creative. Take a few extra pictures of your date night and share them using hashtag Date Night in a Box. One lucky couple will win their next date for free. Join us on Facebook for more details. Super cool. And then you have, it gives you a date night itinerary. How cool is this? So there's a section for setting the mood. Set the mood. You will more than likely need a table nearby to create your book, so try to make your space cozy and settle into each other's company. Dim the lights and tune into, and then they have a soundtrack. Aw, this is so cool. Cook your suggested dinner recipes. Our friend Marina has created a delicious menu for you to enjoy tonight, including a grocery shopping list to make things easy on you. It's totally optional, but our customers have shared with us that they really love it. Let's see if it has. There's so much fun stuff in here. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Grab your included camera. Okay, so there's a little booklet that says The Story of Us. Oh, look at there. And then there's like little prompts. Okay, grab your included camera and complete your photo scavenger hunt. Quick snap flash camera. Fun and easy to use. Aw, okay. So it comes with a scavenger hunt. Let's see if that's in here. They have literally everything, even a pen. Okay. Get ready to make delicious Oreo Pops. We are on Whole30, so we won't be doing this date night tonight. We might have to save some of this for a different night, although my kids would enjoy this. Date night pops, Oreo pops, and then create the story of us. Love brought you together. Now it's time to tell your story in a unique way. Get ready to write your love story and create lasting memories. Aww. Enjoy the rest of your night. Okay, let's see if they have, because I didn't see a booklet about. Oh, okay. So in here, that kind of gives you an overview. Then you have set the mood, and they list different suggestions. Consider the space in which your date will be taking place tonight. Grab some candles and take a moment to make your date spot a cozy space. Very cool. Prepare your suggested dinner recipes. And let's see where they have those. Okay, here's the photo scavenger hunt. It gives you different prompts to do. So like one of them is capture your best facial reenactment of how you each felt on your first date. That is so cool. That is so cool. Play a game of rock, paper, scissors to determine who will drop off and pick up your camera to be developed. All right, I want to figure out where the menu is. Okay, here is step-by-step directions on how to make your Oreo cake pops, which is cool, along with all of the goodies to do that with. And then create the story of us, and it walks you through that. It's time to get settled into the main activity of your date. Grab your included book and materials and get busy assembling the story of us photo album. Good night. Enjoy the rest of your night. Aw, that's cute. Okay, let me see. It's the only part I'm confused about, which I may have not read correctly. Oh, okay. Here you go. This month's The Story of Us dinner menu has been thoughtfully prepared for you by our friend and blogger Marina. You should have received an email from us in regards to your suggested dinner menu for tonight. If you missed our email, head over to, and then they leave the link, to view a complete dinner and drink menu. So this is cool because you can actually plan ahead so that you create the atmosphere, cook the suggested dinner recipes, and then do the fun little prompts. It's really cool actually, guys. And like I said, it comes with a pen, and there's something else in here. What is this? Oreo decorating mat for decorating your Oreos. Washi tape. Oh, and it has a candle. Right? Is this a candle? What is this? Let's open it up and see. It is. Aww, there's a little candle for you to set the mood with. This is seriously cool for multiple reasons, because I know my husband and I, we have our favorite restaurants that we always visit, and it can get a little, not necessarily mundane, but sometimes like, you know what, we should be more creative. And this is neat because it allows you to do that, and it gives you step-by-step directions. I am seriously, like, this is seriously cool, people. Okay, so that is pretty awesome. I mean, everything is right here. I'm kind of excited. We might be doing this week, minus the cake pops. All right, so if you guys want to know more information about Date Night in a Box, I am an affiliate, so you can actually click the link below. And if you're interested, you can go ahead and subscribe, or you can just do one date at a time. $34.99, I believe, gets you, is it 3 dates for $34.99? Like $34.99 a month. But I'm pretty sure that you can just do one date to try it out. So check out the link below and let me know if you try it and what you think. That is pretty awesome. I'm super excited. Like, I am all for the old school film photography and the little booklet. How We Met. Isn't this cool? This is like right down my alley. Okay, so cool. I'm gonna just keep rambling if I don't wrap it up. All right, so super cool idea and subscription box. So let me know what you guys think about it, and if you try it, I would love to know how it went for you, and snap some pictures. Tag, what is it? Hashtag date night in a box. I will be doing that, and you can follow me on Instagram at HelloBlankPage, and I will post up when we do it. I'll be snapping some photos of the adventure, and I look forward to chatting with you guys and showing you the adventure later. So see you next week.